Hello dear students. So finally we have some clarity on applicability of Set C, Set D for the upcoming examination. I want you to watch this video till end because they have added one more condition for exemption of Set C and Set D, and I believe a lot of students who have been through IPCC route, PCC route, they would be covered under this criteria and they would be exempted from Set C and Set D. So let us quickly have a look at the announcement. The first one was, if you have appeared in November 23 but could not clear any of the groups, we knew Set A and Set B is applicable and C and D were exempt. That is already known, nothing new. If you have passed second group, only Set A you have to write. If you have passed only the first group, only Set B you need to write. All of this was very clear. Then, if you have got some exemptions in, let's say in paper 5 or in paper 4 or paper 4 and 5, respective self-paced online module Set A or Set B is exempted. So till November 23, if you have got any exemption, that will be carried forward indefinitely and you don't need to write that paper once again. That is also perfectly fine. All of this information we already knew, and that is how we have been guiding the students, right? In fact, I have done 3-4 videos earlier where we explained how these modules would be applicable. Now, one more thing that is concerning a lot of students is applicability of Set C and Set D, especially people coming from PCC background, IPCC background, unit scheme. There is a lot of confusion. And finally, Institute has clarified that if you have passed both group of intermediate examination under the old scheme, not the new scheme, under the previous scheme, and if you have completed 2.5 years of practical training. So one thing that we need to understand, completion of 2.5 years of practical training is possible only for those students who have come from old scheme. So if you have come from IPCC, PCC, previous unit scheme and all of that, and if you have completed 2.5 years of articleship, including excess leave by 31st of October, then, and also completed ICAI SS, you are exempt from appearing in Module C and Module D. That is Set C and Set D, you have been exempted. So one, if you were admitted to final examination of May 24, or if you have already passed intermediate examination under old scheme and completed 2.5 years of practical training till 31st October, and advanced ICAI SS, you are exempted from appearing in Module C and Module D, that is Set C and Set D of the self-paced online module. Now, one important thing here, what they have said is mandatory for such students to qualify A and B before applying membership. This, I believe, is applicable only for May 24 final students, not for November 22 final students. Based on our interaction with a lot of students, based on what they have written to the institute, they have told that 15th October is the cutoff date. So by 15th October, you should have cleared your Set A and Set B and you are eligible to write the examination. That is what I understand so far. Now, this new point, what they have said, you have to complete it before applying membership. If you have appeared in May 24 examination, if they have given this kind of relaxation, it is not very clear from this. If you fall in that category, please write to the institute, but don't take chance. You still have time. By October 15th, please complete your Set A and Set B. One more thing, if you have completed 2.5 years of articleship, advanced ICAI SS, you are coming from old scheme intermediate, then C and D are exempted. Right? So intermediate students who have cleared either of groups up to November 23 and clear remaining group under unit scheme in May 24, or those who have cleared intermediate exams in May 24 are required to undergo SPOM honor before 10th. Okay, so I told earlier 15th, it is actually 10th. They have actually communicated to a lot of students 15th. Now the cutoff date is considered to be 10th of October for appearing in November 24 examination. Share this video with your friends. I hope you got clarity, right? You can ignore earlier videos. No need to go back and see them again and again. This is the final summary, final crux, that if you are coming from intermediate, if you have cleared your intermediate, completed 2.5 years of articleship, completed advanced ICAI SS, then C and D are exempted. A huge relaxation, I would say, for a lot of students. Right? So far, Institute has been giving confusing answers, applicable, not applicable, 7 papers, 6 papers, 8 papers. I think this clarifies most of the doubt of the students. Thank you.